Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another tutorial coming from me to you guys. Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how I retouch my hair, my own style of retouching my hair. I'm not in the group of people that have much hair, but the little I know, I take care of my hair and it's okay. Before my accident, my hair was very okay. I can pack it, I can do any other thing. The fronts, I don't used to, my front hair was kind of full. People, they will be asking, what did you do to retain your front hair like this? So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys right now, how I retouch my hair, things I miss inside my relaxer before retouching. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. So if you are stopping by my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and when you subscribe, remember to click on the notification bell up there to get notification anytime I upload a new video. All right guys, if you subscribe, welcome to the family. New subscribers, welcome to the family. Old subscribers, thank you for being there for me. I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. Remember to support me in your own little way, any way you can. Just support me, support your girl, support me, share my video. Like I told you before I forget, I'll be using this relaxer. This is ozone, then this is okra juice I have inside this plate, then 1 egg. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I mix it before using it. So this is it. This is the relaxer. I think this quantity will be okay for me. So I'm going to be adding this okra juice inside the relaxer, then I'll mix together. So guys, I've added the okra juice inside the relaxer, so it's time to mix together, which is what I'm doing right now. So you have to mix it very well, the okra juice with the relaxer. So I'm going to be adding my egg right now so that I'll mix everything together. All right guys, so let's add our egg. So I'm adding the egg with the yolk. I'm not removing anyone. guys, I'm done combing my hair, you know, like doing everything. The hair is very soft now, it has relaxed. So the next thing I will do now is to like stay for another 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm done washing my hair, so we are going to enter the second stage. So as you can see, this is my hair, so this is it. The next stage we are going to enter is to apply this. So I'm still with the okra juice, aloe vera gel, sugar, and the egg, both the yolk and the white. So I'm mixing it together right now. I'll apply it on my hair. Yeah, I'll carry it for like 15 minutes, wash it out. Okay guys, I'm done with the final wash. You can see this is my hair. I can easily, you know, like comb my hair, because as if I'm starting all over again, you know, hair for like 3 months now plus you have not combed. So you know, it's just like as if I'm starting everything afresh. This is how I pamper my hair. Try this at home. If you have any question concerning this tutorial, do not hesitate to ask, to drop it on the comment chat. I will immediately reply to your comment. All right guys, so if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with others. Don't forget, you know, to subscribe if you have not subscribed. All right guys, so see you in my next video. Bye.